Happy Veganuary, day 28. Today we're making my dad's pizza recipe. Let me know your favorite toppings in the comments below. To make the dough, pile 400 grams of strong bread flour and 100 grams of semolina flour with 7 milliliters of fine sea salt in a large bowl. Now we're going to stir. Make a large well. Add 7 grams of dried yeast and 7 milliliters of golden brown sugar to 325 milliliters of water. Now we're going to stir this. Leave this for 5 minutes. Then pour it into the well. Using a fork with a circular motion, slowly bring in the flour from the edge of the well and mix into the water. When the dough comes together and becomes too hard to mix with a fork, flour your hands and begin to pat it into a ball. Or just use a mixer. If you are doing it by hand, knead the dough by rolling it back and forward using your left hand to stretch the dough toward you, and your right hand to push the dough away from you at the same time. Repeat this for 10 minutes until you have a soft, smooth, springy dough. Now you can place the dough in a lightly greased bowl and let it double in size for about 40 minutes and put a damp tea towel over it. And then let it proof somewhere warm for 45 minutes. To make the pizza, divide the dough into 2 and then cover it with another damp tea towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. Preheat the oven to 500 Fahrenheit. Now put flour on it, and now we're going to spin it to make it a circle, and we're going to put it on a sheet of parchment paper. Now that I've rolled this out, we're going to put this on the paper. Now we're going to add the sauce, and then we're going to add some mozzarella. For the cheese, I used Violife, and now, do not blame me, I'm going to put some vegan ham on mine and some pineapple. I used pork bites from Gardein. Now we're going to drizzle a pinch of olive oil. Then we're just going to add a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to scoop this up. And I have a pizza stone, so I'm going to use that. And then we're going to cook the pizzas one by one in the oven for 6 to 10 minutes until the pizzas are golden and crispy. I really love using the pizza stone. It really makes a difference with the crust. For topping ideas, you can use zucchini, roasted red pepper, artichoke, vegan pepperoni. I'm doing one with pineapple and vegan ham. So now I'm going to add mushrooms and some spinach. And we're going to use some sun-dried tomatoes. Sun-dried tomatoes are awesome for pizzas. Alright, there we go. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Alright, let's try it. Really good. The cheese gives it so much flavor. If you're looking for a great vegan pizza recipe, here it is.